I really want to give you an opportunity to talk quickly about the Eau Claire School District and this policy that they have implemented to hide gender transitions of children from their parents.
Yeah, so we just filed a lawsuit a couple days ago on behalf of an association of parents in the Eau Claire School District, challenging this policy that you just described. So the Eau Claire School District has a policy allowing minor students of any age to change their gender identity at school, select a new name, pronoun, begin using opposite sex facilities at school without parental notice and consent, and in some cases will hide it from parents. So I think I've come on your show before and talked about similar policies in Madison and the Kettle Moraine School District, both of which we have lawsuits against as well. But this is spreading, and it's apparently in a lot of school districts around the state, and it needs to be challenged wherever it shows up because it's pretty scary. It's a pretty egregious violation of parents' rights, and parents need to stand up and fight back. And I'm really proud and excited that there is a group of parents that is willing to fight back on this in Eau Claire.
So, do you have confidence that, well, I'll just state it right straight up, that good will prevail in this case?
Yeah, I mean, we are very optimistic about our chances in this case. I mean, there aren't cases quite like this yet, only because school districts have never done this before, right? I mean, I've been litigating this issue for a couple of years now, and I have yet to hear or think of any comparable example where a school district takes a major mental health and medical related decision and decides that parents don't get to be involved in that decision. Students get to make it on their own at school. And if they want, the school will actively help hide it from the parents, right? School districts are effectively treating school like Las Vegas, right? What happens at school stays at school. That's crazy. And you need a parental consent form to take an aspirin at school, to go on a field trip, to do any sort of internship or special class. And yet schools have decided that this major decision, parents don't get to be involved in. That's stunning.
Yeah, well, and I mean, I was horrified to read that children as young as 5 without parental consent were part of this I don't know if you'd call it a policy change in the school district, but it's horrifying. I've said it twice now. I can't imagine what parents would be going through, and how could you as a parent trust that your child is safe with, and I will say it, groomers and predators in the public school systems.
Yeah, I mean, the other side wonders why school has become politicized, and this is it, right? If you tell parents, if you send your kids here, you defer your parental role to us while they're here, and we're going to hide things from you, you're going to have parents upset, and you're going to have a whole lot of contentious political battles over school board elections if that's the way you're going to treat schools. And that seems to be where the left is going. And so, here we are. We have parents who are starting to wake up to that reality and fight back. And that's a good thing in my view.
Absolutely. Well, Luke Berg, he is a deputy counsel for Wisconsin Institute for Law and Liberty. Thank you so much for joining me on this great Friday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much for having me on.
We'll talk again soon.